The document's now arrived in InDesign, and I'm going to start the approval process for this at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drag these two groups off of the spread just for the moment, because I'll be using them a little bit later on. And then I'm going to save this into my Creative Cloud folder. Just before I do that, I just need to change the document setup here, because this one has facing pages on it like so. So I'm going to save this now as Ascend 11 cover into my Ascend folder on Creative Cloud. So you'll see that I have a folder just here, Ascend 11, and I'll save that. Then that will be synchronized with Creative Cloud, and I can view it inside of a browser. So I'm going to swap out to my browser where I already have the Ascend 11 folder opened, and here is my file. So I can view this, I can view details about the file, so when it was created, when it was last modified, its size and dimensions. I get a brief color theme extracted from that automatically, and some more information about what went into making the file, such as it was made with InDesign and used these fonts. I can also see activity on this in terms of commenting. Well, of course, there hasn't been any yet because I've only just uploaded this. So I'm going to go to my share link at the top here, and I can either send out a link via email, post it publicly on Behance as a work in progress, or share it to a Slack channel. I'm going to choose to share a link just here and create an accessible link, which it does. And then I can mail this across to somebody from here. I can either do it inside this application, so I'm just going to copy that, or enter an email address like so. So if I just do this, then this will be sent across to the person who needs to approve it. So if I do that, Creative Cloud then sends that notification across to my colleague. Well, fortunately, my entirely fictitious colleague happens to be in this browser on my system and will have received the link, which I'm now going to paste into the address bar like so. Of course, if in the email it would have just been a matter of clicking on it. And so now Alias will get a view of the file just here, so can look at that. And first thing I'd notice there is that the type isn't rendering properly, and I think this could be just a shade more dramatic. So what I'd then do is comment on this, and if I scroll down just a little bit, I can add a comment just here. So I'm going to say the type looks off, and could this be more dramatic? And just put yes in parenthesis just there. And now I'll add the comment. Now remember, I'm logged in as me on my machine and my notifications are active. So if I click this, you'll see that goes up to Creative Cloud, and now I've had the comment that's arrived just here to me. And notification has also been sent to my mobile devices where I have the Creative Cloud app. So I'll know when comments have been received. If I now swap back to being me inside of Chrome, you can see there is that comment just there, and I can reply to that and say, not sure what's happened to the type. I'll look into that. It's probably just the web rendering of that, so I'll just go back to that and correct that. I'll work on the image. And in the next movie, I'm going to be doing exactly that, and then we'll see how that works out.